In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use MasterCard Click to Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Click to Pay functionality of MasterCard. This is a convenient and secure way to pay online without having to manually enter your card details every time. So this will allow you to get faster checkouts, it is going to be secure, convenient, and you often don't need to type out a password to use Click to Pay. Usually a verification code will be sent to your email or phone and you are able to verify your identity that way. So you will be able to skip having to type out your password every single time, and your details are going to be saved for future purchases, making it extremely fast and convenient while also granting you the security. So you can enroll through MasterCard. You can typically enroll directly on the website, or most cards should have this option activated by default. To actually use it, simply proceed to checkout on any store that accepts MasterCard, credit, or debit cards. When you proceed to checkout, if you look under the payment methods, you will be able to check to see if Click to Pay is available. So usually this is what the icon looks like. You will see some arrows alongside this little square and of course the MasterCard logo, something like this. Once you see this icon and of course the text Click to Pay, it means that you are able to have a faster checkout using the card details that have been saved. If you have multiple cards registered, you will be able to select them individually here, so choose the specific one that you would like to use for this purchase. You can tell them apart by using the icons, the name, or the last 4 digits of the card, and then proceed to checkout. Then tap continue and the card will be used. Because it is extremely secure and you usually only have to sign in once, you can complete the purchase without having to type out your password. I hope I was able to help you on how to use MasterCard Click to Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.